The human voice is not just a means of communication, it is a powerful tool for change. As Stoics, we believe in using this tool with wisdom and virtue to bring about positive change in ourselves and the world. Today, I want to explore how we can overcome common pitfalls in communication by applying Stoic principles, enhancing our ability to speak powerfully and listen attentively. Part 1. The pitfalls of communication. Number 1. Gossip and judgment. In Stoicism, the avoidance of gossip and harsh judgments is more than just a matter of decorum. It is a commitment to the virtues of wisdom and justice. Gossip, often a whisper in the wind, carries with it the potential to harm not just the subject of the rumors, but also the integrity of those who partake in it. The Stoics teach us that engaging in such behavior is a departure from wisdom, as it involves making assumptions without the full breadth of knowledge, and from justice, as it fails to afford the subject of gossip the dignity of truth and fairness. Moreover, Stoicism encourages us to consider the impact of our words on the souls of others. Just as a harsh winter can wither the most vibrant flower, harsh judgments and unkind words can dampen the spirit of their recipients. We are urged to use our speech not as a tool to elevate ourselves by diminishing others, but as a bridge to understanding and mutual respect. In speaking about others, we are guided by the principle of constructiveness. This means not merely abstaining from negative speech, but actively seeking ways to articulate thoughts that are beneficial, uplifting, and truthful. The art of constructive speech requires a balanced blend of empathy and honesty. It is a skill that demands we look beyond the superficiality of a situation and delve into a deeper level of understanding and compassion. When we speak of others, we do so with the awareness that every individual is engaged in their own complex journey, facing challenges and trials that we may not fully comprehend. By adopting this perspective, our words become imbued with a sense of grace and kindness. In essence, the Stoic approach to communication is a reflection of a broader commitment to live a life of virtue. It is about fostering a community where trust and respect are paramount, and where every individual feels valued and heard. By eschewing gossip and harsh judgments and embracing a more thoughtful and constructive way of speaking, we not only honor the dignity of those around us, but we also cultivate a part of our own character that aligns with the highest ideals of Stoicism. This is the path to not only personal tranquility, but also to creating a harmonious society, resonating with the timeless wisdom of the Stoic philosophy. Number 2. Negativity and complaining. In Stoic philosophy, we accept what we cannot control and focus on our own actions and responses. This philosophy profoundly recognizes that many events in life are beyond our control, whether it's changes in the weather, the actions of others, or certain social and political events. We cannot directly influence them. Stoicism teaches us that the wise course of action is to concentrate our energy on what we can control, our own behavior, attitudes, and responses. Complaining and negativity often stem from dissatisfaction and a sense of powerlessness over things we cannot control. However, constant complaining not only fails to change the situation, but becomes a burden that hinders our personal growth and happiness. These negative emotions consume our energy, distract us from positive action, and ultimately lead us into a negative cycle that prevents progress. On the contrary, when we accept things outside our control and shift our focus to areas we can influence, we open the door to growth and self-improvement. This positive approach to life helps us build internal strength and flexibility, enabling us to better face life's challenges. We learn to view life's ups and downs with a more peaceful and open mindset. Furthermore, focusing on our own behavior and responses also prompts us to introspect deeply, understanding our values and goals. This self-awareness is key to achieving personal growth and a fulfilling life. When we understand our inner motivations, we can set goals more effectively, take action, and maintain resilience and optimism in the face of adversity. In short, this teaching in Stoic philosophy is not only a strategy for dealing with life's challenges, but also a philosophy for enhancing the quality of life. It guides us to shift our perspective, liberating ourselves from complaining and negativity and focusing on the possibilities of self-growth and a positive life. Through this approach, we achieve growth not only on a personal level, but also spread positivity and hope in the wider society. Part 2. Stoic Principles of Communication. Number 1. Honesty and authenticity. Honesty and authenticity in our speech align our words with our inner virtues. This alignment fosters trust and genuine connections with others. In this complex and ever-changing world, honesty and authenticity are not just the cornerstones of communication, but also key to building profound interpersonal relationships. When our words reflect our true selves, we demonstrate not only our sincerity, but also our reliability and integrity to others. In social interactions, we often find that the authenticity of speech is the foundation for establishing deep relationships with others. When people perceive our sincerity, they are more inclined to open their hearts to us, sharing their thoughts and feelings. This environment of mutual trust encourages open and honest dialogue, thus deepening mutual understanding and respect. Moreover, adhering to the principles of honesty and authenticity is also a manifestation of self-respect. When our words and actions are consistent, we not only show our true selves to the world, but also reinforce our self-identity and self-esteem. This internal consistency allows us to stand more firmly in life, no matter what challenges we face. In summary, honesty and authenticity are not just qualities of speech, but symbols of character. They not only establish trust and connection with others, but are also the cornerstones of personal growth and social harmony. By sincerely expressing our thoughts and feelings, we not only enhance our interpersonal relationships, but also contribute to creating a more open, understanding, and inclusive society. Number 2. Integrity and love. We commit to integrity, ensuring our actions match our words. We also approach every interaction with love and goodwill, aiming to uplift rather than judge. In this fast-paced and highly competitive world, maintaining consistency between words and actions is a challenge, yet it forms the foundation of building trust, respect, and genuine relationships. When our actions reflect our commitments and words, we not only gain others' trust, but also strengthen our own self-respect and self-worth. Additionally, when we treat others with love and goodwill, we not only display our character's charm, but also inspire others to make positive changes. By offering support and understanding instead of quick judgments, we create a space for others to grow and self-reflect. This love and goodwill-based interaction not only fosters deep connections between individuals, but also contributes to shaping a more harmonious and inclusive society. The practice of integrity and love reflects not only our internal values, but also our commitment to the world. It is an art of living that requires us to demonstrate sincerity and care in every decision and action. Through this approach, we achieve growth not only on a personal level, but also spread positive influence in the wider society. In conclusion, our commitment to integrity and the love and goodwill in each interaction are the bridges that connect us with the world. They are not only reflections of our character, but also part of our efforts to create a better world. This way of living not only uplifts us, but also brings a positive impact on those around us. Part 3. Tools for effective communication. Number, voice and tone. As Stoics, we use our voice and tone mindfully, knowing that they are reflections of our inner state. We speak calmly and clearly, conveying our message without emotional disturbance. In Stoic philosophy, communication is not just the transmission of information, but also an exchange between souls. Our voice and tone act like a mirror, reflecting our state of mind and personal characteristics. Therefore, we always strive to maintain composure and clarity in our speech, ensuring that our words are both sincere and beneficial. The importance of voice and tone in our daily lives cannot be underestimated. A gentle voice can soothe an anxious heart, while a clear tone can aid in better understanding and communication. When faced with conflict or misunderstanding, a calm and composed voice is more likely to ease tension and open the door to dialogue. In this way, we not only demonstrate our self-control as Stoics, but also create a more harmonious environment for those around us. Moreover, our voice and tone are also manifestations of our respect and empathy for others. By consciously adjusting our way of speaking, we show our concern and understanding for the feelings of others. This empathy-based communication style not only strengthens our relationships with others, but also spreads more goodwill and understanding in society. In conclusion, as Stoics, we are always conscious and thoughtful in using our voice and tone. We understand that this is not just a matter of communication skills, but a reflection of mental cultivation and personal character. Through this approach, we not only bring inner peace to ourselves, but also more harmony and understanding to the world we live in. Number 2, listening and silence. We value active listening and the power of silence. Through silence, we can reflect, understand, and respond with wisdom rather than reacting impulsively. In Stoic philosophy, silence is not just a communication skill, but an expression of deliberation. In conversation, silence provides us with a space to digest and comprehend what others are saying, allowing us to gain a deeper and more comprehensive understanding of their perspectives and feelings. In this noisy and fast-paced world, we are often overwhelmed by hasty responses and a constant barrage of information. However, by practicing silence and active listening, we can extract ourselves from this incessant flow of information, giving ourselves a chance to think and perceive. This not only helps us understand others better, but also allows us to express our own thoughts and emotions more clearly. Silence is also a tool for self-reflection and introspection. In moments of silence, we can pause and examine our inner world, exploring our thoughts and beliefs. This internal dialogue helps us align with our inner selves before responding to others. Therefore, when we do speak, our words are not only well considered, but also more reflective of our true selves. In conclusion, by valuing active listening and the power of silence, we can not only make wiser responses in communication, but also take a significant step forward in personal growth and inner peace. Stoic philosophy, by emphasizing the importance of silence and listening, reminds us of how vital it is to find a space for tranquility and wisdom in our busy and noisy lives. Let's embrace the Stoic approach to communication. By speaking and listening with wisdom and virtue, we can create a world where understanding and harmony prevail. In Stoic philosophy, communication is seen not just as an exchange of words, but as an encounter of souls. Through thoughtful and mindful communication, we can resolve conflicts in our personal lives and foster peace and understanding in the wider world. This approach emphasizes the importance of deep listening and sincere expression. We learn to listen first before speaking, truly understanding others' perspectives and emotions. This is not only a form of respect for others, but also the foundation for building trust and rapport. When we speak with wisdom and compassion, our words are no longer a one-way broadcast, but become a bridge for building profound connections and shared understanding. As Stoics, we use our voice to make a positive impact in our personal lives and spread harmony and understanding in the wider world. Our words and actions become a reflection of our personal virtues and wisdom, as well as our contribution to the outside world. Through such communication, We not only enhance our personal spiritual growth, but also sow the seeds of understanding and harmony in the society and world we inhabit. In conclusion, the Stoic approach to communication is not just a part of personal cultivation, but also our commitment to a better world. It inspires us to engage in every conversation with higher wisdom and virtue, whether in daily life or on a global scale. Through this, we collectively build a world filled with understanding, respect, and harmony.